Hey, have you ever wondered who exactly is a full stack web developer and what exactly full stack web development mean? Hi, I'm Tarak. This is your YouTube channel Web Tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, show some love, hit the like button, and let's go. A technological stack contains all the tools and the programming languages that are used to completely make an application. Okay, so a full stack web developer is someone who understands this technological stack. A complete web stack consists of many parts. Let's list them out. Number one, programming, scripting, and markup languages. So, programming, scripting, and markup languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, Java, all this form a part of programming, scripting, and markup language. Number two, web development frameworks. So you have a lot of development frameworks like React, jQuery, Django, .NET, Laravel. All these are development frameworks. Apart from that, you all number three, it comes to libraries. So libraries like you have Node.js, Python Torch, you have Firebase, you have Flutter. So all these are extensions and libraries that a technological stack developer uses. Number four comes to databases. So there are many different types of database like MySQL, SQL Server by Microsoft. You have MongoDB, you have PostgreSQL, you have MariaDB. So these are another part of the technological stack. Another thing is like in on which platform are you going to build it? Say you are going to build it on Linux or Windows or Docker or Kubernetes. So all these are different types of platforms available. Apart from this, if you are building in a development environment where there are a lot of developers, then developer tools like collaboration tools are required. Collaboration tools like GitHub, Slack, Jira, Trello, Google Suite. Now let's see what are the different kind of stacks available. What are the new, what is the older stack and what are the new technologies that are available. So at first we have the Visa stack or Windows IIS as a internet server, SQL as a database and ASP.NET as a programming language. So this is what most of the companies and developers are using right now. This has been there for a pretty long time. Apart from this, the second type of stack that is LAMP stack. LAMP stack is basically it has Linux as a platform. You have Apache as a web server, MySQL as your database, and PHP, Perl, or Python as your programming language. So if you see Linux LAMP stack, it is also very popular. Right now, all the web applications that are developed using Apache are hosted like the WordPress and all are hosted using LAMP stack. The new in 2020 new stacks that are emerging out are based on programming languages like Python and JavaScript. So Python stack, I'll show you an example. Like it is called Frem stack, which is actually a Flask as your front end development, Flask and React as a front end development, the MongoDB as a database, and Python as your programming language. So React JS, yeah. So apart from FrameStack, the two most common JavaScript based stack are MERN stack and Mean stack. So what is MERN stack? MERN stack stands for MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. So MongoDB is a document database. It is not like SQL. It is not a relationship. It doesn't have a table tabular structure. It is a document oriented structure. So I'll explain you that when we get into designing database SQL and non-SQL database. Express.js, Node.js, it's a web framework. React.js is a client-side JavaScript framework, and Node.js is a web server. So this is a MERN stack, and if you replace React.js with Angular node, so that will become your Mean stack. Okay, so Mean stack. So what exactly how the stack works is basically you will have a backend run environment, you have a client front end framework, backend web framework, and the database. If you see how the entire process takes is like, say for example a client is asking for a data, then the Angular or even React, you can keep it over here, is making a request for the data to the node. So node with the help of Express parses that request to the MongoDB server in the way the MongoDB can understand, and MongoDB returns the data. That data returned is returned the request. Then that request is taken, the data that is got by the node is then passed on to the front end React or the um, Angular design. So basically, it is given to the web developer. So these are the five basic stacks that are very famous in 2020. So what we will be concentrating is JavaScript based framework, that is either MERN stack. We'll be focusing more on MERN stack in this channel. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, hit the like button, and see you in the next videos.